Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV. I am Craig Mason. I have with me, as always, Jeremy Stratton. Say hello to everyone, please, Jeremy.
Hi everyone, hope you're having a great Monday.
Indeed, it's Monday, and it is a great day. So at the moment, we're talking about procedures, processes in your business. We wanted to touch on today what we see as the top 3 aspects of your procedures in your business. So they're pretty important. It does take a lot of time to put these sorts of things together, but we consider them to be vitally important for your business, and it's a good idea to get them done towards the beginning of your business before you start doing what we're going to be talking about today, which is client onboarding and staff onboarding. So Jeremy, do you want to kick off with the first aspect of your procedures within your business?
Yeah, so as you said, the first one is client onboarding and customer success processes. So yeah, what are we talking about here? We're talking about the process of actually bringing on your clients or customers. So that's the first part. How do you engage with them? Do they, if you're running a shop, do they just come in and pay you money for your products and then they go out? If you've got a service-based business, do you get money up front? Are you able to? Do you need to run some sort of other account, like a trust account, to be paid money? Having a client onboarding process is really important to make sure that you get paid in a timely fashion for all the work that you do. And the same is true of a customer success process. I often do talks, as you know, Craig, and one of the things I say is it's somewhere between 6 to 9 times cheaper to get repeat work from an existing client than to go and get a new client. So what process have you got in place to make sure that your customer is getting value out of the work that you do and that they will actually proceed with you going forward to get that repeat work? So having those type of policies and procedures in place is really important. Craig, do you want to go through number 2?
Yeah, number 2 is about team member onboarding. So what Jeremy's talking about is your clients, your customers coming into your business. But the other important factor in your business when you've got customers coming in is your team members and how they have been onboarded. So it's very important to have a process for that. It's not a simple matter of, hello, yep, you start tomorrow, here you go. You need to have a process and some documents in place for the onboarding of your team members. So the whole idea is to have a consistent approach for any team member that comes in. They all receive the same onboarding material. So they're all on the same page as to how things are going to be run within your business. So that's the processes, like the customer success process. So when they're onboarded, they know that this is the process they need to follow. There's obviously all the tax and other documents they need to fill out, those sorts of things. That forms part of it. The most important part of the onboarding is that they've given all the information wherever you have it accessible, and in whatever formats. You might have flowcharts or documented processes or whatever it might be. All that's in a spot where when they're onboarded, they can find all that information and read through it all. And then the idea is that everyone's taught the same way. Therefore, the customer experience is consistent, flowing into your customer success process. So very important with your procedures to not forget about your team members, make sure they're onboarded consistently and comprehensively in the onboarding process. So that's the second one. Jeremy, what's the third one?
Yeah, the third and final one are policies relating to harassment. So if you've got a team of any size, you need to deal with harassment, because it's something that comes up more and more often. We see it unfortunately happen more regularly. So policies relating to sexual harassment, to religious or racial harassment, or just general harassment. You need to have policies and procedures that actually govern these things. And this flows into the topic I wanted to say at the end here, was that you don't just write these policies and procedures and put them in a folder and put them on the shelf or stick them in your second drawer. These have got to be evolving documents, and you should get things like harassment policies drafted by lawyers or consultants who know what they're talking about. It's not a one-size-fits-all exercise, and it's certainly not a document, well, these aren't documents that should just be sit on the in the drawer and never be actually referenced. They're living, breathing documents that need to be updated all the time. So, there's many more aspects to policies and procedures you should have in place. These are just our top 3 that, as a bare minimum you should have, and that you should also make sure that you update them regularly. I think that's it, Craig.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Jeremy. That is it for us today. That was show number 214. So I encourage everyone to get the show notes on today's show. Jump on the website, businesslegalifecycle.com.au/214 for show 214. As Jeremy said, these are important aspects in your business. Without customers and without staff, then obviously you're not going to have a successful business. And so having processes in place as to how you're dealing with your customers and staff is vitally important for a successful business going forward. That is it for us today. We'll be back again next time. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you later.
See you later.